Hey everyone, this is Roota Mittal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm talking with Rinkal, who is a Marketing Accelerator student and who is in our 1 lakh INR club, which means she has made 1 lakh in client revenue in a 1 month period. Hi Rinkal, welcome. Welcome and thanks for chatting with me today.
Hi, Ruta. Thank you for the wonderful introduction. And hi, everyone.
Awesome. So, Rinkal, how much are you earning right now, and how many clients are you working with as of right now?
So, as you said, I made around $1,500 last month, which means that I hit my 1 lakh club,
Mhm,
and that I did. We are working with two clients,
mhm.
so I got a chance to work with two high-paying clients, and which made me enter the 1 lakh club. Yeah.
Awesome. And then, like those clients, what industries are they in? What do they do?
So one was an e-com client. I did Facebook ads for them. They were Indian clients only, and the other one was from US.
Mhm.
He's an insurance agent. So I was working as a social media manager for them. I managed all their social medias like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and that's what I did. So I worked as a social media manager and Facebook ads manager for both of them. Yeah.
Okay. And when did you join Marketing Accelerator, and what were you doing before that?
So I did my graduation from Nursing Monji College, and then I worked for a year for Axis Bank. That was for HR as a HR executive, and then I
Yeah.
got married, and I knew that I cannot continue with my work because I come from a Gujjar family, so they prefer doing a business rather than working for someone else. So
Mhm.
I left that job, and then I knew that I wanted to do something because I wanted to use my talent. So I started my own some craft business, gifts business, handmade gifts. So I did that for some time, and I knew that this is also not for a long run. Then I got pregnant, and my baby came, and then I was on a break, and on one fine day I came across one ad of digital marketer. That was from some other person, not from you. So I like it was of my interest. I knew that this is something which I can do by sitting at home and working by like working from home and taking care of my baby and family too. And then the pixel played its role. I came across your ad on the next day. So
Yeah.
I saw your ad on my feed, and your ad was more powerful than the previous one. And then I went through your webinar. I stalked you everywhere on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. I saw the testimonials of other students, and that inspired me a lot. Because it was something for me, like I can sit at home, I can work from home, and earn in dollars, and I can use my talent. So I joined the course in the January last month, and then this lockdown happened. So I was in a lot of cheers because I didn't paid attention to the course because I had to take care of my family, baby. And so I got my first client in the month of July, and then I was continuously working with some one or two clients every month because I had to take care of my baby too. So this is how it went, and in the last month I hit my 1L club.
Awesome. That's an awesome journey. So MA has empowered you with skills so that you can work from home even during lockdown, even while taking care of your family.
Yes,
And
yes,
basically, you can take
definitely.
care of your family and give the family a priority along with work
Correct, correct.
and being
Yeah,
self-dependent and being financially stable on your own without
yes,
relying on anyone else. So, how do you feel?
yeah.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah, I am very proud of myself. Like there's a like a sense of achievement that I'm doing something. I'm using my talent, I'm using my skills at the best. I'm giving my services to international clients, and even they are liking my services, though it is a sense of achievement at all in all.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
thanks to you.
Yeah. So, how was your first client experience like when you started?
So luckily, I haven't worked for free for any client. I started doing my clockwork tasks as you suggested. I started giving value in the Facebook groups. So there were two to three clients who came back to me. They sent some like queries of their own. So I gave them value. I answered their queries, and they approached me like, "Can you work for us?" So I was on the cloud nine. I said, "Why not?" So I started working for them. My first client was for Facebook ads only. So I worked for them. They liked my services. I worked for them for a month. So it was a good experience.
Mhm. Yeah, for sure. And then, are you more into like social media side of things, or Facebook ads, or funnels? What is your go-to?
Actually, I work for everything. I work for Facebook ads. I'm also working for Instagram growth. I have made funnels also. I've made two to three funnels for my clients. So till now, I'm not niche down. I'm looking for niching down in one area. But currently, I'm stuck with some other work. So I'm doing whatever I'm doing currently with my clients. And all the modules have played its role. So I've worked for every niche till now.
Yeah, I think that's great for experience and for
Yeah, I'm
confidence.
getting good experience via that. Yeah.
Yeah, and like you get to see a full 360-degree view of how everything works, and now you can decide what you like. And
Yeah.
actually, I'm going to be updating the lecture soon about adding more details about niching down. So watch out for that. That will help you.
Where we are very much excited for that. I know.
Yeah. And then, so what are your like two favorite pieces of content in MA which are responsible for your success?
So MAA is a whole power pack package. I've loved the whole course. But if you tell me to choose two content, then the first module, which is a mindset module, it is the base of the whole course, because when we set our mindset at the best, we are able to use our skills at the best, and we can come up as a stronger in our bad days. So mindset module is my best. And my second favorite is get clients module, because in this module you have added everything from A to Z about the client journey, how to write the professional proposals, how to send invoices. And it is the best module, because I don't know what other marketers are providing, but I think this is the best thing, because you teach us how to approach an international client, which will not only pay you much more, and they'll be happy with our services. And their teams are not that big as like Indian clients.
Yeah, and so like what you said about like so MA guys, if you're listening and are looking into MA, then MA provides you the A to Z and the step-by-step blueprint on like how to talk to clients, where to find them, what to write
Yeah.
down, how to talk on the calls, how to send proposals, contracts, what emails to send. Every single thing, the detail is there in the course. So if you're confused about any part of it, it is all covered. So Rinkal, what do you think about the coaching? Maybe if you're stuck, if you were stuck somehow, is the coaching calls and the Facebook community helpful for you?
Yeah. So because I was a complete fresher, there were so many questions in my mind also when I started with the course. I would have so many questions about regarding the Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So I would just drop a question in the Facebook group, and there were so many people who will answer our question. No, obviously you were there, your team was there. You will also answer, and there were others also who will answer our questions. So we are clear with our doubts. And then the coaching calls are also very have played a great role in clearing my doubts. So I've loved the coaching calls and Facebook group.
Okay, great. So, Rinkal, if people are listening over here, they are thinking, oh, I'm not sure if like freelancing is for me, or I don't have any experience, or I'm not sure if this is for me, learning marketing is for me, or they think, oh, I want to be independent, but I'm not sure if what is the right path. So, what would you advise them? How do they get started?
So yeah, after watching my testimonial on your webinar or on your page, there were so many people who came out to me on Facebook Messenger, and they asked me the same questions. If I'll be able to make a money back because the investment is more. If I am a fresher, how will I know the marketing skills? So I tell them, everyone them, that if I can do it, you can do it too. Even I was a complete fresher. I am a mother. I hardly work for 3 to 4 hours a day because I have to take care for my baby. If I can do it, you can do it too. You just have to follow the course. Whatever Ruta says, there's everything in the course. You'll be empowered with the skills. You'll know how to set your mind, and you'll also get your, like, you'll also know how to get the clients, from where to get the clients. So course has everything. You just have to show your dedication, and you have to like do hard work, and you'll be able to make it. So the course investment is big. I know that, but if you pay attention, if you do it dedicatedly, if you do your hard work, you'll get back it. And this is not a short term journey. It is going to be a long term, because after this corona situation, everything is online. So every business is online. Everyone needs digital marketers. So you are not going to fail. Digital marketers are going to be on a, like they'll everyone will need a digital marketer in long run also.
Yeah, absolutely. I love what you said. Plus, the skills that you learn from MA, you
Yeah,
can use all your life, like
yeah.
whether in your next business
Even,
or yeah.
sorry to interrupt, but if you are running your own business, even you can apply the skills on your business also, and you can run it online, uh, good, by a good way.
Yeah, definitely. And if you want to like do this client stuff on the side, then you can also apply the freelancing stuff and client attraction methods to get clients while your business starts making money. So it's like a win-win
Yeah,
situation, especially for people wanting to be self-dependent, wanting to be their own boss, and wanting to learn skills that they can use forever. See, marketing and everything is like a foundational skill. It doesn't matter like if Instagram won't exist 15 years later, it teaches you the skills to like pivot and adapt and learn the basics of and foundations of marketing and sales, which can be applied anytime, anywhere till the day you die. So like it's really an evergreen course, but also focusing on okay, so let me actually ask you this. So do you think a lot of people worry that some courses are only theory and there is no practicality and it's boring and they think it's not practical enough. So what do you think about MA in that sense?
you have shown so many examples. Yeah, there are so many cheat sheets. In the MA 2.0, I have seen that you have added some screenshots of other ads also, the real ads. So there's a practical. There's you have gone through all the walkthroughs of important software, so we get the practical knowledge. And even in the ClickFunnels module, you have taught us step by step how to make a funnel, and how to make a webinar funnel or sales funnel. So everything is taught step by step. So we get a practical knowledge, and even you tell us that whatever you are learning here, you have to implement it. So we get that knowledge of implementing everything before we go to the client. So we know that how to make an ad, how to make a funnel. So we are empowered with everything once we go through the whole course.
Yeah, definitely. And guys, if you want to check out the details of MA, the link is in the description below. So, Rinkal, any last words you want to say to people who may be on the fence of Marketing Accelerator? Should they enroll? What are your thoughts based on your experience?
Yeah, so I would love to say that even if you are a student, if you are a mother, if you are into a 9 to 5 job, and if you want to be independent, if you want to be your own boss, or you can go through the walkthrough of the course. You can go through the you can see other people's journey. You can ask them personally, because so many people come and ask me. Everyone will share their real experiences. There is no fake experience in this. So I'd say if you want to be independent, go for the course. There's no other chance that you can miss this course. So I have loved this course, and even if anyone else will also love this course. Even if you are a fresher, you will be empowered with A to Z every skills in this course.
Yeah, I love that. A to Z of everything from skills to getting clients. So MI is gonna be your guide. All right, Rinka, thank you so much for coming in. Guys, if you liked Rinka's story and her advice and everything, if it was inspiring, let us know and let her know in the comment below if that has helped you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And thanks so much, Wrinkle, for chatting with me. I'm sure your experience will help a lot of people, and I look forward to celebrating more wins. We are coming up with more awards, so I'm hoping that you can also apply to that in the future.
I'm waiting for that. Yeah, I'm waiting for the other rewards also.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you for inviting me here.
Yeah,
Thank you for inviting me.
you're welcome. Have a great day. Bye.
Yeah, bye. See you.